How to archive and unarchive post on Instagram in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to uh, switch your account to your business or creator account. You don't need to have your account in the personal account, so you have to switch to business or creator account. Then what you have to do is, to do this you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to go to the settings, and here you can see the switch to professional account. You have to click on this and you can continue all this, and then you can choose the category of your account. And when you choose the category of account, you can also choose the creator, or you want creator or business account, and you can do this process in both the accounts. So I choose the creator account and then click on the next, and then let's see, I archive this post. And what you have to do to archive is you have to click on the three dots, and then you have to click on the archive, and then here you can see the post is archived. And then if you want to unarchive this post, then what you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines, and when you click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, you can see the archive in the first of the option. You have to click on the archive, and here you can see the there is option of the story archive, live archive, and the posts archive. You can choose any of the option. You have to choose to the post archive. You can choose the post archive by clicking on this drop down arrow, and you can choose the post archive, and then you have to click on the choose the post that you want to unarchive. And then I choose this post, and then you have to click on the three dots of this post, and here you can see it is saying that show on profile, and then you have to click on the show on profile, and now your post is on your profile, and you are unarchived the post. So that's it. Here you can see the post is on your profile. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.